this video, we're going to look at sub instructions. So the syntax for sub instructions, first is sub and then we provide a register value. So the sub instruction is used to subtract the content of a register from the accumulator, which means this particular instruction works as a minus register and then the result is stored in the accumulator itself. So suppose, say we want to subtract a value 12h with value 2h, or we want to subtract 0 to h from 12h, then we would write a program to first load our accumulator with 12h, then load any of the registers, say we use L with 0 to h, and then we would perform a sub L operation and then terminate the program. So this would basically do accumulator minus L and then the result would be stored in the accumulator itself. So this is how we use sub instruction in 8085.